Hi, so today I want to give you an exercise to support opening up the hips and bringing a little bit more flexibility to your hips. I've got lots of clients that want to know how to do this because they're also concerned like the shoulder, which is a ball and socket joint. We have the hips, which also is a ball and socket joint, and we want to make sure that you're getting more movement than just walking. You want to get some left and right movement, a little bit of circular motion, so that you get more flexibility here, gets more chi here, which brings more vitality. So let's do a little exercise. I'm going to bring a chair in here. If you have concerns about balance, feel free to do this with a chair. So let's begin by shifting your weight over to your right leg. You're going to bring your left leg up and bring it off across the front leg here. And now the balancing leg. And now you're going to turn and open it up and drop it back down. So we're going to do some hip swings. So now you're going to swing and then swing it back. So you're going across the stabilizing leg and then up. Turn, open. Turn, open. Turn, open. Turn, open. Now you can also do this without a chair. So then what you would do is bring your hands and work with the image, a beautiful image, like you got two pet tigers. You can give them names if you want, and have little pet tigers there. And you're going to do that by managing the tigers are holding you safe. So let's go across and up. Swing one way, swing the other way. Across and back. Across and back. Over. And this gets a nice movement in as you go back and forth across the body, opening up the hip joint, getting lots of different movements that are available to the hip joint. Let's do a few more of these. Last couple. And one more to each side. Good. And then come back down. Thank your tigers. And then let yourself just feel if there's a little bit more energy flowing in the hips. Take a few deep breaths. And you can do this every day if you want. It's a wonderful way to make sure that flexibility is increasing with or without a chair. Or you can always use a wall as well. There's many ways to stabilize yourself so that you can keep that opening in the hips. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.